growth at Acquirent is a relatively new phenomenon. I think that when I was a sales rep here back in 2012, 2013, career growth was kind of stunted, so to speak. You had the opportunity to kill it on your account and do really well, and then if the client liked you enough, they might hire you on, or you're kind of locked into being here and working for that specific client. Recently, in the past couple of years, the upper management team has really looked at the fact that we want to retain really great salespeople, and we want to show them the career growth that was going to keep them here and keep them happy. So career pathing is something that we've put a lot of time, effort, and energy into, and so I've seen quite a few sales reps in the past couple of years that have come in as sales execs who have moved their way up, senior sales exec, team lead, and whatnot. And so I think with the commitment to promoting from within to fill our management positions, I think is a great step forward and shows our commitment to growth and career pathing here at Acquirent.